Hi, friends, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and I'm continuing on the Camino de Santiago. Today is a quick recap between Leon and Rabanal del Camino.
Okay, Albergue Indian Way, open 7 o'clock breakfast, only pilgrims, so all in English, not in Spanish. But there's these structures that I've been watching for a while, because you can kind of see things coming up. I'm thinking, Jesus, those look like teepees. So I guess maybe that's what they are. Because it's the Indian Way. Okay, so I booked this albergue, Nuestra Senora de Pilar, because it's kind of infamous that you've got to really like your neighbor, because the bunk beds are just all pushed together, so you end up sleeping with somebody that may or may not be what you want to do. I have set up my sleeping bag here, so out of this little quadrant of 4, nobody else is here. I got 2 Canadian women right beside me, so I'm figuring that will be good. So, of course, the bunks that are not pushed with another bunk have already been taken by the people that got here earlier. So, whoops. There we go. That's where I'm sleeping tonight.